Hey World History. All right, today I'm going to show you how to do Google Forms. So the first thing you need to do is create the Google form. Now you go over to your Google Drive, and then on your Google Drive on the left upper hand corner, you're going to see new with a plus sign. I want you to click on that. There you'll see a bunch of different options. Then I don't want you to click on Google Forms quite yet. I just want to have your cursor hover over it. Then you're going to kind of move a little bit to the right here and hover over this little triangle, kind of dark gray triangle. And you'll see that there is another kind of pop-up menu that comes up. We have blank form, blank quiz, and from a template. I want you to click on blank quiz. Okay, and then create that. Now this thing pops up for me. I am unsure if students get this pop-up as well. If you do, simply just close out of it. All right. Then we have a blank template for our quiz that we're going to make. So of course, the first thing you need to do for the quiz is make a title for it. Of course, make it a real title and not just gibberish like I'm doing, so y'all don't just copy and paste whatever I do. You can form a description, put your name in there. And then you can start making the questions. So to make the questions, you just type in the box here of whatever your question will be. And then to get the answers, all you have to do is click down here. And then you can keep saying add option to get more and more questions. Now, this is a multiple choice. You can also change the type of question you want. For example, you could do short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. I stay away from file upload. It gets a little tricky, so maybe stay away from that. Linear scale and rating, I'm not sure exactly how someone would do that with the Russian Revolution, World War I, so probably stay away from those. You could do the multiple choice grid or the checkbox grid, and of course stay away from date and time because that's for like meetings and stuff like that. That's not applicable to what we're doing here. All right, and like any good question, you need an answer key. So to do an answer key, you just click down here on answer key. You click on whatever answer is correct, and then you give it a point assignment as well. So for simplicity's sake, I'll just do 1 point for this, and then click done. Now to get more questions, what you need to do is just click this plus sign with a circle on it. And then maybe for this one, I want to do a short answer one, okay? Same thing. And then for the answer key, and then you can, whatever the correct answer should be. And done. And that's what you need to do. You can also customize this too. If you want to add images, you can click here to add an image. If you want to change up like the background and have like a header photo, you can do that by clicking on this little art palette up here. Then in order to share it with your teacher, you're going to click on the share button up here. And you are going to type in your teacher's name and make sure that they have editing access. Okay. Then after that, you're going to click on done. And then click up here to the copy responder link. You can publish it first or not. It doesn't matter because I will have editing access to it. But you can copy the responder link and then go into Schoology and drop that into the Unit 14 summative reverse quiz Dropbox. That way I have quick access for grading purposes that I can just kind of click through and read all of your awesome quizzes that you are making for this summative. So yeah, now I kind of get a little bit of a taste of what a teacher has to go through when they make quizzes. And hopefully you have maybe a little bit of fun doing it. If you do have any questions though, do reach out to your teacher. We are more than happy to help you out, okay? All right, thanks for watching. Bye.